Hey Frank, so I got your file open. The first thing, the die lines, you can move them around if you want, but don't. So if you lock the die lines right here, if you don't have your layers open, go to Windows, Layers, and then it'll open it up. So lock your die lines, that way you can't fuck with them. First thing, the type, you always take type. Oh, you gotta be on a non-locked layer. You always take type and you just type words, you press and enter, then you type some other words, press enter, type some more words. Which is kind of not the efficient way to do it. So if you grab your type tool, and you click and drag and make a box, then if you type into it, the type just follows that box. You don't have to press any returns. And say you want to make it smaller, you just have the black arrow and make the box smaller like that. Instead of having all the returns, so you say you wanted it to be bigger. So yeah, it's just more convenient to take the type tool, click and make a box, and then start typing. So over here, you're having trouble moving this down because if you click it, if you're on the black arrow, which you click it, then you grab all this crap and you're like, oh shit, I can't just move just one thing. You move everything. Command Z is edit undo. Command zipper. So let's go to the white arrow. And now you still can't fuck with the type, but Command Z, edit undo. If you double click into the type, now you're with the type tool. You just want a return right there. And the box is big enough already, but I mean, you can make it smaller or bigger. That way, this way. But at Command Z, edit undo. So now say you want to mess with some of these types. It's the same thing. You just get the white arrow. And you can move them around if you want. That's difficult. But you got the white arrow, just double click into it. Now you can actually edit the type. If you have the black arrow, you'll grab the whole thing and you move everything. So just Command Z, Z, yeah, and like that, and it all goes back. So now let's go to the actual gradient that your puke color, whatever the fuck color this is. We're just gonna click that once, and you want your gradient right here. But you also want to make sure that you're not selected like that, that you're selected that this is on top. So then you come back to your gradient. If your gradient's not open, you just go to Windows, Gradient right here, and open that up. And so now you get your white arrow, you click the gradient, you have it selected over here, you have your gradient window open, you just double click one of these fuckers, and it pulls up the Pantone. But if you drop that down, this little box right here, you say CMYK. I mean, we could do that. So then we go to this one, double click it, drop it down to CMYK, do that. Double click this one, drop it down to CMYK, do that. I don't know, where else to say that. So now you can edit these all just as a CMYK and play with the colors, the little sliders. All you do is double click them, then you'll pull up the color editor. But you have to make sure they're not the Pantones because you don't have the Pantones. Yeah. That's pretty easy. I hope that's helpful. And I'll talk to you soon.